So this is going to be a quick tutorial video on how to make endless image creatives using AI. So shout out to Vibe Marketer for coming up with the idea. What we're going to do is take his prompt along with an image, pass it to ChatGPT, and what that's going to do is going to give us a prompt that basically acts as our blueprint for trying to recreate the original image, and we can tweak that so that we can come up with whatever variations of that original image that we want. So in this case, just went to Unsplash, picked a random image, and what I did was I fed that image along with his original prompt, and what it did is it basically dissected all the details of the image, and we're going to use this as our blueprint for recreating it. So you can see it's changed a few things about the original image, not even the same guy, but there's enough in here that we can use. So what we can do is you can modify the prompt, and you can say, hey, please take this prompt below and make some key change about it. And what you can do is you change the things like the background, the location, the avatars involved. So in this case, on a boat instead, different avatar, and this is something that it doesn't take that long. And if you've got, say, like Hermes agent, something like that, you can programmatically spin up hundreds of these in just a few minutes. So it's a quick way to just constantly spin up the creatives that you're already testing or ideas that you'd liked but just weren't exactly what you wanted. So I'll leave a link to the tweet below. Thanks for watching.